This is my 1995 Daihatsu Charade Centro, also known as the Daihatsu Mira. It weighs 600 kilos and is powered by a 3-banger called the EFEL. It goes from 0 to 100 eventually, but the sensation of speed is what makes this little tin can so fun. I bought this car off a bloke on Facebook Marketplace who did all to the car apart from spray paint the steelies black. So I was left with cleaning up the mess and making my own along the way. Time to build oil pressure. That didn't sound too good.
Decides to do some timing and he kind of fucks it up just a little bit. That's not good, is it? Kind of fucked.
After bending the valves because I'm too much of a dumb cunt to turn the engine over by hand, running into some head gasket issues, and blowing up a gearbox, I slapped in a spare motor from the wreckers.
Loom is disconnected. All I need to do now is disconnect the speeder cable, shift the cables, take the mounts off, take the exhaust off, and we should be good to lift the fucker out and put that one in.
I then started slapping on some OEM and aftermarket parts, such as seats from a G200 Smiley, Amazon Special Roof Liner, Cusco strut brace, and C-pillar brace, Ultra Racing rear sway bar, and various pieces from an L512 TRXX thanks to NMF Garage in Malaysia. There's still a lot to do on this little rusted bucket nugget before I say fuck it and buy a normal people car, but until then I'm gonna keep sanding it and learn with the boys while people find something comical about my appearance when I drive my automobile. For now, let's throw the keys to Liam so he can see what it's like to daily drive a Daihatsu.
This thing's actually very fun to drive. It gives me Starlet vibes. The steering wheel does feel nice. The shifts feel awesome as well.
I just thought it, mate. We're giving clutch and it still stores it. More gas, bro. More gas, more gas, more gas.
I just can't reach the pedal.
I mean, you can still probably get to fourth, right? Yeah, because this is not the stock seat, like right against the fucking seat.
Forget about reverse.
Yeah, reverse ain't happening. I didn't even know the screen popped up like this. Now the controls are backwards too.
Backwards, man. Backwards.
I can walk backwards fast as you can.
This is an experience and a half.
Little tractor, eh?
Little tractor. You need to get a water bottle, and every time you stop at a red light or rev it, just pop your door open and start tapping up on the floor for your bumps and bangs.
Holding fourth gear for a long time, you decelerate down a hill, it goes. There's no money shifter, bro.
I may go from second to fifth real quick.
Yeah, there you go. That was turbo as well, that's mad.
I had a dream last night I was doing 324 kilometers.
324 kilometers. What, you saw the number or you saw the speed?
I saw the number. Like, I never usually look.
If this car went anywhere above 110, I think it would actually fall apart.
It's a must.
Yeah, but only a light layer. If you dab that shit on, there's something wrong with you. It's only good with butter, little touch.
Use it as lubricant before you
hit that gap. I straight up would have hit that gap.
Look, if it was my car, yeah, fair enough. I don't want to fucking beam your shit. You know what I enjoyed most? The fuel needle did not move. How long does the tank of fuel last here?
450 Ks.
That's quite a bit. Basically driving like a small microwave. Nice toaster, on wheels.
Wine makes it sound like it's fucking supercharged or something.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah, I still haven't hit limiter in this thing. I feel like you're about to change that. That was pretty close.
I like to hear it bounce off a couple of times. You should know, you're a typical Honda driver.
Yeah, but even in the Honda I didn't hit limiter. Mainly because the engine was fucked and I didn't want it to explode.
Limit. Rodney through the bonnet would have been an experience.
As your only car?
Now it's not. Rodney through bonnet.
It is my only car. The Civic's unregistered. Not that I have a job for me to need to go anywhere, but...
You been looking?
Yeah. So I've got 1 week of rent left before we have to start coughing it up.
Yeah, the rent is ridiculous.
I got paid my rent on a Friday night, enjoy myself over the weekend, and all of a sudden it's Wednesday, and I've got to pay rent in 2 days. That's why having this car is a blessing. I fill up once a month. Drove past the police station, so
Can't catch me, lick my nut. I don't like your knob. Your knob don't feel good.
You don't like my knob?
Too big. It's got little hands, bro.
I like it because it has a bevel on the top. Shout out Kimcast.
We need to get some drinks.
Oh yeah.
Any second now we get the green. Yellow.
E85?
Drink.
E85.
Dream it. So you're gonna have to put this car everywhere you go.
Yeah, bro.
That's why you need a nugget, bro. Nuggets are like a whole class of their own.
I think it's safe to say that in a world surrounded by sterile cars, these little bento boxes give out nothing but smiles per mile.
There's only so much paint strip I can do, so I bought this. Fucking not bad.
Oh my god. Would you look at that? So I need to paint my booster, and what's the best way to cap this off, you reckon? Oh yeah, fucking... So much easier to take out one of the right fucking size. Jesus, like butter.